Now, as you can see from the title, I have two projects for you today. Now, the clipboard here was my main project, but I messed up some of the footage. So I thought I add a little bit of a bonus to the video, which will be a super quick makeover of an old mirror. Like always, all my mediums will be in the captions. The process is very simple, and I will speak up when I need to explain something to you. So please enjoy, and I surely will talk to you towards the end. And we are jumping ahead a little bit here, so let me explain what I did. I worked a bit more on the clip using some metallic paint. I also added an old key and this really cool tarnished vintage little spoon. And here at the bottom you can see a simple measurement. It's just made out of paper. I also added a label frame with a couple of beads. Next I will be using this little cookie tin and a vintage photo mat, and then I have this really old rather damaged photo here, but I think it gives it a bit of extra charm. Just to make it more sturdy, I already glued it on top of some old book pages. Now from here on, again, the process is hopefully all here. If not, I will pipe up again. Enjoy. And again, there are a couple of minutes missing here, so let me help you catch up. I added some black velvet ribbon, I added some black lace, and now I'm working with a couple of teal ribbons and a tiny vintage buckle. Now I also added a couple of things to the very top to the clip of the board. You can see a little emblem which I just colored and distressed a bit, and I also added a metal gear around the top hole. And that's already it. Here is one more closer look. You can see how I decorated the clip. Of course, there's that lovely old spoon, the little buckle here on the bottom. And I like to believe that the phrase I picked fits nicely to the young girl. These type of vintage pictures always make me curious about what type of life they lived, and I hope hers was happy. So here you can also see that I moved the little bead fringe from the outside to the inside, and I think it looks a lot better now. The back here I just covered with an old ledger paper. So that's pretty much it for this project. I hope you like it, and I hope you will like my next one as well. I actually did a makeover on this mirror months ago, and the footage was just sitting in my files as the process was so quick and short that I didn't want to post it all on its own. So finally I find a way to get it out to you. So I am adding very simply some texture by using drywall tape. I will also add my texture paste, some acrylic paint, and some gold rub-on, and a beautiful embellishment piece at the very end. So please enjoy the process. I talk to you later. Now, true to my word, this was a super quick makeover, but here is the embellishment one more time. And as I mentioned earlier, I did not make this, I bought it. But I like the way it fits to this mirror. I like the different shades of red. Of course, the gold rub-on brought out the texture and also made it all match together. Simple, but nice. So next we have both of my projects one more time here, just to close everything up. I hope you enjoyed your time with me today, and please come and see me soon again. Bye bye for now.